It is the end of the week and it is perfect time for us to complete it. And I even have a perfect day for this with the overcast and just very, very peaceful morning. We need to complete the week both mentally and energetically at the feelings level. For mental engagement, for mental connection, we can engage journal prompts and questions. To engage energetically, we use intentional breathing and visualizations. I'll take you through 5 steps to complete the week and give you some examples of engaging mentally and energetically. And then I will also share additional resources, how to really dive into this part of completing your week. Step number 1, celebrate yourself, acknowledge yourself. What are you really proud about this past week? And even if it's just staying on track or navigating the ups and downs of your week, it can be little things, it can be big things. Very important that you focus not only on tangible things that you're able to achieve, but also on celebrating your state of being, how you felt throughout the week, how you came back to peace and calmness despite whatever turbulence and ups and downs you experienced. To engage energetically, you want to really feel into celebrating yourself, feeling good about yourself, feeling good about your accomplishments, both tangible and energetic. Step number 2, listen to your body. Notice how you feel, how your mind feels, how your heart feels, how your body feels. Notice where there's pressure, tension, weight, stress, contraction. Questions you can ask yourself: how am I actually feeling? How am I truly feeling right now? And that will allow your mind to really focus on your body. To engage with this energetically, take a deep breath in and just feel how the energy flows. Feel where your blocks are, where the weight is. You may want to close your eyes. You may stay open with your eyes. The best way to do this is in nature, and you can also do this more effectively when you have time with yourself, for yourself. So it's relatively quiet space, no distractions, no conversations. Step number 3, release what has accumulated. Release the weight, release the stress, release the tension and friction. And you can ask your questions. You can ask yourself the question: what do I want to let go of? What is in my body that is creating more weight, creating a feeling that I don't want to carry? What do I not want to take with me into the next week? How we release it energetically is by taking a deep breath right into that area and releasing it. That's just a very simple way to do this. You can do this by breathing into your headspace, by breathing into your body, and if you also engage some visualizations, that is going to give you even a greater experience of release and letting it go. And I recommend staying with this first 3 steps for some time. Even if you just spend 10 or 15 minutes in the beginning of the day, or when you allocate time for yourself to do these steps, continue to focus on what has accumulated and what you're releasing throughout your day. And add to that step number 4. And step number 4 is what's opening up for me after you opened up this space by releasing. What's opening up for you in connection to the dreams and goals that you're bringing into your life experience. And maybe it's just something opening up that you didn't even think of before. Usually it's some clarity, or it's some feeling yourself bigger, feeling yourself you are the next level version of you, or it's confidence that you can get through the obstacles, that you can get through the challenges, or it can be an idea like clarity. Wow, now I'm ready to this. How have I not thought about this before? So the opening, what's opening up for you can come through in so many different and beautiful ways. And you really want to soak in this, really want to listen to it throughout your day. And the last step is gratitude. What are you genuinely grateful for? It's good to write this down. 5 to 10 things. Just make a list of what are you genuinely grateful for. Not because you think you should, but because like really have this wave of gratitude, a wave of feeling. You're just being like almost overtaken by the feeling of gratitude. Little things, big things, whatever comes to your soul and to your heart and to your mind in this moment. To engage with this energetically. Feel the gratitude. Feel what you're grateful for. Feel how it is amazing what you're grateful for. It doesn't have to be tangible things. You can be just grateful for the opening that's coming through. The gratitude can be for you being able to get through the week, being content, or coming back to your peace, coming back to harmony despite the obstacles. So gratitude doesn't have to be tangible. It can be just for how you feel and who you are and what's opening up for you. And again, soak in with this 5 steps, 4 steps throughout your day. Do not rush into making a plan for next week yet. You can do this after you feel complete with releasing, with what's opening up for you, and you feel like you settled in, and now you're ready to think about your next week, to envision your next week, to feel yourself in the next week. And I recommend doing this even the next day, like on Sunday. So spend Saturday just soaking in on celebrating yourself, acknowledging yourself, listening to your body, what's in there that just has built up. It's a contraction that doesn't quite belong there, that you can release it. Soak in releasing this weight, releasing this energy of stress and stagnation, and listen to what's opening up for you. It's just a beautiful thing. It's like, wow, an aha that's coming through, whatever it is, and the energy of gratitude. Have an amazing time with this. Everything is perfect and anything is perfect. There's no right or wrong, as long as you tap into these steps or these elements even to bring your week into the completion and step into that new opening. I would love to hear how it goes for you. We're also linking additional resources that will help you complete your week, both mentally and energetically, with additional questions and with guided breathing and visualizations and even artwork, so you can anchor those feelings, you can anchor the release, you can anchor what's opening up for you. The link is shared either in the caption or in the description or in the comments, wherever you're watching this video. Would love to hear how it goes for you, and wishing you to have a beautiful weekend. Thank you for tuning in.